was scared to do
Break
it.
it off in little pieces. This humors me immensely. Watch these chickens jump. Dog, no. Hold still. Alright, do it with another piece.
I'm letting it all dry out. Dad.
Yes, baby. That chicken just stole your bread. Now stand still and let the chickens jump. Too high, Soph. A little lower. A little lower, baby girl. Well, that was too low.
Hey!
Right there. Perfect. A little lower. Right there. Oh, too low.
You have to hold it a little hard.
Hold it up there. Let that chicken jump.
Can this break?
It's concrete. It can break, but it's very hard.